So over here you can see that I have a web page, and let's say from this particular web page I want to save this particular file. In that case, I can right click, and over here you can see that save link as is an option. And once you do that, instead of opening the file, it prompts me to download the file right here. So I can just go around and rename out the file according to how I want and hit the save button, and it gets downloaded and it gets accumulated in the download page, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around onto downloads right here, then I can go around onto open downloads page, and you can see the downloads over here just like this. Let me just go around and close this. I can do the same thing with this image as well. So I can go around and then save the link as right here. So let me just go around on to save link as over here, and then you can see that it saves out an HTML document this time, and I can save out the page right here. But I want to save this particular image. So if I were to go around over here and right click, it's actually saving the HTML document now. But I have another option called save image as, which is specific. So if I were to click on save image as, now you can see that it saves the PNG format file right here. So you can go around and click right here, and once you click, it opens out a new link, as you can see, and you can see that this is what you have. You can right click and save the image as over here, just like this, as you can see right here, and then save it out from over there as well. So that is how you can utilize the save link as and save image as option inside of Microsoft Edge to save out the contents as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.